Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 6 options to block or stop ads. Option 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go down. Tap on security and privacy. Tap here. Then go down. Tap on more privacy settings. Tap here. Here you can see send diagnostic data. We need to turn off this option. Tap here. Then unselect this. Tap on OK. Done. Option 2. Here you can see Android personalization service. Turn off this option. Tap here. Done. Let me go to option 3. Tap on Android system intelligence. Tap here. Then tap on clear data. Then tap on all time. Tap on clear data. Done. So this way we can clear all data stored by Android system intelligence. This is option 3. Option 4. Go to activity controls. Tap here. Then go down. First turn off web and app activity. So here this is already off. By default this would be on. So you have to turn off. Go down. Then turn off timeline. This is already off here. Then turn off YouTube history. So in this one YouTube history is on. You can tap here and turn off YouTube history. Then go down. Then turn off personalized ads. So right now this is on. You can tap here and turn off personalized ads. This is the option 4. Let me go back. Option 5. Tap on ads. Then go down. Here you can see advertising ID. Google stores all data and activities against this ID. We can reset this ID and that way we can delete all data stored by Google. Google may use this data to show ads. Here you can see reset advertising ID. Tap here. Then tap on confirm. See, it has created new advertising ID and deleted all data stored against previous ID. We can also tap on delete advertising ID. Tap on delete advertising ID. This way also we can delete. Then tap on get new advertising ID to create new ID. So this way also we can reset. Let me go back. Option 6. Tap on usage and diagnostics. Turn off this option. Usage and diagnostic. Done. So these are 6 options to block or stop ads. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.